Today we're diving into the world of Android TV remote applications. With so many options available, it can be tough to find the right one for your needs. Stick Remote Control TV. This application is designed primarily for controlling streaming devices like Amazon Fire Stick and other similar TV sticks. It often includes features such as voice control, navigation buttons, and the ability to browse apps directly from the smartphone, providing a convenient way for users to operate their streaming devices without the original remote. My Remote Universal TV. This app is a versatile universal remote that can be used with a wide range of TV brands and models. It typically utilizes either infrared, IR technology, if supported by the user's device, or Wi-Fi to connect to smart TVs, allowing users to manage multiple devices and brands from a single app, making it a central hub for all their TV remote needs. Remote TV for Android. This app generally focuses on offering a straightforward remote control experience for Android TVs and smart TVs. It can connect via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth depending on the TV's compatibility, and provides basic control features like changing channels, adjusting the volume, and launching applications, all from the convenience of the user's Android smartphone. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Stick Remote Control TV, My Remote Universal TV, and Remote TV for Android helps you make an informed choice about managing your TV devices.